favourite food?
Spiders.
You eat spiders?
Yeah.
Isn't that cannibalism?
That's how you turn into Spider-Man.
And Spider-Man, what's your mother's name?
Martha.
What do you like most about being Spider-Man?
Taking all the villains.
Awesome. Hey Spider-Man, you're awesome. High five. Give me one.
Give me some.
Oh, hello. Well, I'm a Batman, and I'm a super Batman. I'm a pretending I got bats. What do you say to that?
Wow, that's groovy, Batman.
I just call it like that.
What's the villains do you like catching?
Catching some rabbits on this stuff.
Batman likes catching rabbits.
Yes.
Yeah. What about the Joker? Do you like catching the Joker?
Yep. Yeah, he looks like a funny laugh.
Can you do his laugh for me? What's the Joker sound like? Yeah. And what's Batman laugh like? What's your laugh like, Batman? Yeah. Who have you saved? How many people have you saved?
Always at 100 people.
Mainly older people?
Sometimes a little bit.
Do you do a lot of work in nursing homes?
Yep.
You catch people falling over cliffs in their wheelchairs?
Yep. Yeah, I just watch special weapons, you know. That's what I do.
Have you got an offside? Have you got someone who works with you?
Sometimes I do work the Green Holt. He looks like Angry like.
Oh.
Green Holts always do like
Batman! Awesome. High five. You're awesome, Batman.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
Green Lantern.
Ah, what do you do?
I fly.
You fly. Wow, that's awesome. Do you catch bad guys?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you
And
catch
my
them?
ring helps me fly and superpowers.
Special
and I
ring.
was chasing the baddies.
Chasing the baddies. Did you catch any?
Yeah. I catch 4,000.
4,000 baddies.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You're awesome, Green Lantern. Give me a high five.
Yep.
Good work. Awesome. Fly away now. There he goes. Woo. Oh, who's this?
My name is Iron Man.
You're Iron Man. Do you do lots of ironing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do Iron Spider-Man. And I'm Captain America.
So you iron all their clothes.
Yeah.
Do they pay you?
Nah, they're not. They don't pay me. They're my friend.
Do you catch bad guys, Iron Man?
You know. Yeah. Don't that many bad guys. Some of them does away. Yeah.
You think you're wasted on doing the ironing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you rust when you drink water?
Yeah.
Hey, can you shoot lasers from your eyes? Oh, that hurt. Oh. Wow, that's amazing. You're amazing, Iron Man. High five. Good job. Wow. Fly away now. All right. Thor, what's your favourite food?
Cake.
Cake.
Ice cream cake.
Ice cream cake. Nah.
Yes.
Have you ever tried tickling a bad guy?
Yeah.
You do.
What?
You've tickled the bad guys. Captain America, what country do you come from?
America.
Do you like any animals?
Rhino.
Where do rhinos come from?
Sky.
The sky. Rhinos from the sky. Do 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 do. Ah! It's raining rhinos.
No die.
Yeah. Are you awesome?
Yeah.
Money man. Say money. Money man. Who's that down there? Is that the Bumblebee? What do you like doing on weekends?
Killing the tentacles.
Killing centipedes. What do you kill them with? A fork?
No, my laser beams.
With your laser beams. So your job is to kill centipedes with laser beams. What do you like to do on the weekends, Mr. Hulk? What about skiing? Do you go skiing?
I might go skiing. Iceman.
Iceman. Oh, what's your superpower?
Ice.
What's your favourite food, Iceman?
Ice. I like kissing cuddle from my mum.
Oh.